Hi guys, would like to talk to you about very viral Massimo Dutti cardigan. So I placed the order, managed to actually on the website. It was somewhere around 8 or no 9 or 10 a.m. in the morning, um, and the black color was available on the website. And I don't know how that's happened, but I managed to add this color to the basket. And once I was doing the checkout, all sizes been sold out in this color, but somehow they just put stock, and for like 2 hours, all sizes been available. So I managed to order both of them. And my thoughts: avoid this crap. Please do not order this cardigan. It's a waste of your money. Look at this example. It's so ridiculous that they charge 140, I believe, £149 for it. So let's start from here. As you may see, it's not even straight. Look at this. Look at this finish for 150 quid almost. Look at this finish. It's just so ridiculous. So ridiculous. And I already cut out a few threads coming in from here because it was pissing me off. But the next thing is, ta-da! Look at this. It's not even straight. Look how it's been cut. It's ridiculous. It's like 2 centimeters difference in here. Can you see it? It's ridiculous. Look inside. There were so many like threads coming out. It's not they're not even been cut. Look at this. There was like 10 of them. And I cut them off, and then I thought that maybe I should actually do the video about this. But you know, item for cardigan for 150 quid, and a couple of threads like this been outside in here. So it was disgusting. The other thing is, you can just look what it is made of. So for 150 quid, we just get 18% alpaca, 10% polyester, 7% polyamide. So for now, we have only 18% good stuff in here. And then we have 45% of acrylic and 20% of llama. So 20 plus 18, 38% of good materials, good fabrics in it. The rest of it is like bloody polyester for 100, almost 50 quid. It's not straight, polyester, and feels so cheap. Literally, it feels so cheap. This part is literally polyester, and this part is mix of this alpaca and whatever. It's quite warm, and this one is in size extra small. So if you really want to get it and you don't care about spending 150 quid for something like this, you can get it. But just go for size up, because it fits very snuggle, I would say. And size extra small, or 6 or 8. But in this case, I would rather go for something more oversized. And the color for the good stuff, it's really nice. Okay, so that's the first one. And let's go to the black one. So the black one, the finish is slightly better. Here we can just definitely say that it's not straight, but shh, don't say anybody. Okay, yeah, doesn't look nice. And here also, the fabric here, it looks and it feels so cheap, believe me. Okay, here we have actually cut it straight. but I don't know why it just, you can see, because it's polyester and stretch so much, so it's actually very hard to make it straight. Inside it's much better, so probably somebody who saw it, who was sewing it, just make it really nice. So hey ho, we got a lock in here, no threads, no nothing. But the big minus with this one, and this is also in extra small, is the color. Literally, this black color looks like it's been washed 100 times, and the black in here is washed out, so it's almost like grayish black. And this polyester part, because it's nothing cotton here, so that I assume that it's polyester, looks and feels so cheap, and it's completely different color compared to the shearling part. Not sure that you will be able to see it from the to see it from this angle, that it's completely different color, because camera could just mix up the colors, but this black looks washed and it's really not nice. It just really disgusting how this brand is ripping you off and just take your money and just selling something like this. It's just disgusting for 150 quid. It shouldn't happen, but it's happening. Look, I don't know, probably some kind of kid in Cambodia or wherever just been doing it, or somebody who is just starting using the sewing machine. I don't know, sometimes they're just making, you know, they just put the one button in here and they just make, oh, it's made in Italy or made in UK or wherever, you know, but it's anyway, it's just made in China or wherever. But it's just so disgusting. So I do not recommend to getting them. Avoid. But I do have something for you. It's not any partnership or anything like this, but I love TK Maxx. I know that it's kind of different style, but just to show you how much you can get if you just dig it in. Now it's so many different you know, knitwear coming into the stock, so definitely gonna find something for yourself. For example, this one is Assisto. I never heard about this brand, but it's 70% merino wool and 30% cashmere, and I bought it last year and I paid, it was quite pricey. It was 80 pounds, 90 pounds, something around 100, I would say. I can't remember exactly, and I find it on a website, but the feels of it, it's really good. It's really nice because it's wool and cashmere, not like this, which is polyester. I know there's different style, okay, that's just normal knit, and this one is just like buckle, but shearling style. But definitely once the stock in TK Maxx will be, you know, increasing, maybe you will be able to get some shearling cardigans. And the other one, which is much more affordable, it's 39 pounds. Rachel Zoe, 100% extra fine merino wool, and I picked this up in size extra large, just because I wanted to have it slightly oversized, but it's not as much oversized on the top. It's more like length, so yeah, it's slightly longer, so it's cover my bum, which I really like, and it looks really very nice. And this one is, oh, like we said, it's 100% extra fine merino wool, and this cost $39.99. So hello, I know that's probably normal prices of this cardigan is around probably 100 or even more, I don't care. But you can get something like this in TK Maxx for 40 quid instead of getting spending 150 for polyester, which is only viral on Instagram or wherever, you know, Facebook and all this stuff. But it's so crap and rubbish. So remember about the quality, go for something better and avoid the Massimo Dutti cardigan. Let me know what's your thoughts. Take care and have a nice day. Bye!